Welcome. Today, we're diving into the latest update on how to add members to a group on Instagram using your PC. Whether you're managing a group of friends, family, or colleagues, this feature makes it easier than ever to keep everyone connected. Let's get started with the step-by-step process. First, open Instagram in your preferred web browser. Log into your account if you haven't already. Once you're in, you'll see the familiar Instagram layout. Next, look for the Messages icon located in the left menu. This icon typically resembles a paper airplane or speech bubble. Click on it to access your direct messages. Now that you're in your messages, find and open the group chat where you'd like to add new members. Once you've selected the chat, look for the info icon at the top of the conversation. This icon usually looks like an eye in a circle and will take you to the group's details. Once you're viewing the group info, click on Add People. This option allows you to start adding new members to your group. In the search bar that appears, enter the name of the account you wish to add. As you type, you will see suggestions pop up below. When you find the correct account, click on it to select it. If you want to add more members, simply repeat this process by entering another name in the search bar. You can continue adding up to 35 people in total. After you've chosen all the new members you want to invite, click on Next. This will prompt Instagram to confirm your selections and prepare to send out invitations. And that's it. You've successfully added new members to your Instagram group on PC. This updated process is not only quick, but also keeps your conversations lively and engaging. Make sure to explore other features within Instagram's messaging system to enhance your group interactions even further. Thank you for watching and happy connecting on Instagram.